Away they go. Angel Sky running by the rallies Miss Bobon alongside rushing up his Lady Tycoon Dreammaker, Dancing Slew, Lovable Prisha, Bully Stream, Terrible Heart, and even now Angel Sky, Miss Bobon down on the inside, Lady Tycoon on the outside, Dreammaker, Dancing Slew is under further outside. Rounding the far turn, Lady Tycoon, Dancing Slew, Dreammaker, and running by the rail, Miss Bobon, Angel Sky, even now. Rounding the far turn, Dancing Slew, Dreammaker, running by the rail, Lady Tycoon, Miss Bobon. Even now, racing Pip Angel Sky as they swing for home. Dreammaker, Dancing Slew from the outside. Lady Tycoon once again by the rail. Entering the last 200 meters more to run. Dreammaker, Dancing Slew is on the outside. Lady Tycoon down on the inside. Dreammaker, Dancing Slew moves up to take the lead. And finally, from the stable of Mr. Jerry C., Dancing Slew, Dreammaker, Lady Tycoon, even now, Terrible Heart, Miss Bobon, Lovable Tricia, Angel Sky, and number 1, Buddhist Dream.